So this happens to be our group of young guns, and as well as like the Wisdom Keepers and young guns, there's also different backgrounds that we have from people who've been former network marketers, people who are single moms who have kids, or people who, or even women who have a family and who have just like multiple kids and who are just have a lot to take care of, who have a lot to take care of. And so this group of young guns here is really the new generation. This is the new generation of people that are upcoming, not just onto the internet, not just into the business world, but into the life and being able to impact the rest of the world around us. So if you have someone that you know, maybe you have kids, grandkids, or people that you know who should be involved in a community like this, this is the perfect group that you should be turning over to, leveraging your time with the Hangouts, likewise with the Wisdom Keepers, likewise with the women as well. Real quick, what I want to share about the Young Guns, what's so special, is that they recognized an opportunity very early on. So there's plenty of room for mistakes. There's plenty of room for mistakes. We want to do it fast. We want to do it fast. But what's awesome is by the time we hit the ages of 30, 40, 50, 60, and when we're retiring age, we'll have already been able to have accomplished our goals due to the fact that we've been able to just simply go through those experiences, not necessarily slower or faster than anyone else. It's just we've made that decision a little bit earlier on at this point in our life. And so, just real quick, I want to share just a small story about making a decision that has been able to attract more. And so, about 12, 13 months ago, I decided to get started with Empower Network as someone who was like a 2-time college dropout. Tried the traditional job thing, couldn't make more than $14 an hour. And so fast forward to today, being able to have access to some resources, some of the time freedom with the system, and being full-time, and really just the freedom. A week and a half ago, I was hit up by my brother on Facebook, my older brother. And I have only seen him and talked to him about 3 times. 3 times probably ages maybe 5, 7, and 12. So it's been over 10 years since I've talked to my older brother. He happens to hit me up on Facebook about a week and a half ago, and so he happens to live in Denver, Colorado. That's crazy. And so I just want to say, just whether it be a coincidence or something magical, like one of those moments, because I've made a decision early on, and just likewise everyone else up here has made a decision early on. Not only is it a coincidence that we're here in Denver and that he happens to live here, but I've also been able to gain the resources to be able to make that happen. Otherwise, I might still be stuck in the corporate world, not being able to have accesses to the freedom, and therefore I might not get a chance to see my brother at all, who I haven't seen in 10 years. And so there's plenty of, so if you go across this Young Gun panel, as well as the Wisdom Keepers and everyone else, there's plenty of stories up here that are like that from just simply making a decision. And so if you're not all in with this, if you're not all in with this company, and some of you might be in the system, but you haven't chosen to be in the system doing the work, now is the time to make a decision to start taking action. Now is the time to make a decision to get all in and be in Jamaica, because it starts right now. It starts right now to get the results you deserve, but also it's not just about you, it's about who you can impact around the world around you. And so with that said, let's go ahead and get a picture.